Hi, we're Alex and Zach. We just got married and had this crazy idea. What if we just left our jobs and happy life in New York City to spend 6 months traveling the world? So, after months of saving and hours of planning, that's what we're doing. This week in Vietnam, we visit the infamous Golden Bridge, see the historical temples of Hoi An, take a trip to France, and brave the summer heat. I am sweating in places I didn't even know you could sweat.
Today we're at Bana Hills. This is the main attraction in Hoi An. We've taken those cable cars all the way up the mountain. Additionally, there's going to be an amusement park at the top, the Golden Hands Bridge. What else we got today?
And we're in France, okay? You're at the Big Buddha now.
One of the main attractions.
Yeah.
Do you consider this a tourist route?
Yes. No. Well, yes. Absolutely. But the views alone are pretty cool. So.
It feels like I'm at Universal Studios and like we tried making a botanical garden. But I will say it's like nice and cool up here. Rather new. They're doing a lot of construction. For the most part, it's really nice. Just a lot of people.
We're at the Golden Bridge. You can see the big hands here. Apparently it was made in 2017. This has crazy views.
It's really quite impressive. This is now like thousands of feet up in the air, in the mountains, and the views, like you said, are really jaw-dropping.
Guys, you'll never guess where we are. We took a 20-minute cable car and we're in France, okay? You see this? We're in France. For a long, strange day at Bana Hills, we found dinner at this amazing local spot called Little Flower, where we had fried wontons and a chicken pho. We ate here so many times during our time in Hoi An, it became our go-to neighborhood spot. Okay, so today we're going to see a few of the temples in the Old Town. So what you can do is go to the tourist center and you purchase a ticket for 120 dong, and you get to see 5 of the attractions in here. So some of them are temples, some are museums, so you have to be strategic about your choices. So we're gonna go to a coffee shop and figure out which ones we want to see. We're at one of the assembly halls in the ancient town, and it's beautiful, just like the last ones. Look at all the detail.
We're never first Bahn Mi in Vietnam.
Shut.
Wow. It's like light and delicious. So today, we decided that we're going to check out a little area on Google Maps that was supposed to be.
Zachary decided.
I thought it looked nice. There were stars on the map, and I was like, oh, it's going to be great. Complete bust, like a normal small little town. And it's like 100 degrees.
Profusely sweating.
I have dad's stomach sweat. I think it might be time for a beer. Alex, what do you think?
I think so. you know, I was just walking, minding my own business, and then I managed to kick a dead bird. So luckily I was wearing sneakers, so I think we're okay. Can you imagine if I was wearing sandals?
What are you gonna do? What did you do about it?
I have the beer.
Is it working?
I mean, yeah.
Hey, we're at the beach in Hoi An at Bang Beach.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, the water's
looks a
blue.
little crazy, but yeah, should be a nice day. While at the beach, we made a pit stop at Yesh for a healthy lunch that included a delicious and much needed smoothie bowl and pineapple juice.
Eight, 9 days in. How are you dealing with the heat?
I am sweating in places I didn't even know you could sweat. I mean, like, the boob sweat right now is just out of control, but you know, you just gotta embrace it. So the best way is with a beer and a fan where you can find them.
For the night market in Hoi An, it's
On a Friday night,
It's
so
crazy.
it is pandemonium. To cap off our trip in Hoi An, Zach and I took a ride on one of the famous lantern boats which led up and down the Bana River. We both lit lanterns and dropped them into the river, which is thought to bring good luck and health. You'll find a number of people selling lanterns by the river, but just be sure to purchase your boat ticket through a reputable vendor. Hoi An is a special place, from its history to the food and the friendly nature of its people. It's the perfect mix of beauty and chaos. Motorbikes buzz by you at every turn, but in between dodging them, you'll notice the handmade lanterns at every door, the colorful florals on every street, and the history in its city walls. We would highly recommend Hoi An to families and adventurous travelers alike. Next week, we jet off to our next destination, Bangkok, Thailand. We eat a lot of food and debate the tourist fashion scene in Bangkok. See you next week. You know, go Bills. So.